And you're going to see every single bit of 4% profits. And as we scroll down, we're actually going to get higher. We got 10%, we got 7% profits, 8% profits here, all the way down with a maximum so far of 15% profit. Now, as we transition into the bull market, these are going to be much larger trades. Bitcoin has officially been testing this resistance here at $43,500 for a full week now. At this point, whale money is moving into the market, and we do see a major breakout signal. So we know big moves are incoming, but we need to know which direction we're about to head. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what my targets are and how we can use these indicators to make the most profit possible in the Bitcoin market. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are currently 132 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And as a heads up, Travis has a brand new future forecast coming out tomorrow. You do not want to miss the last couple of videos here either. This is going to be a masterclass on how to use Coinbase futures with leverage and the ability to short. The second one here is actually doing a deep dive into making live trades. Don't miss out on this. The next video coming out once again tomorrow, Tuesday, February 6th, is going to be crazy. Do not miss out. Links to this are in the description down below. And with that, let's jump into the analysis. Here we are on the home page. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics. And the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, we are still in excited territory. We almost dropped into neutral as we bottomed out here. But as the price has been rising today, we're pushing back up. And overall, this does continue to be a more bearish sentiment. So we need to watch out for that. Any upward momentum at this point is running out. Next up, I want to take you to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. And once again, as I told you in the intro, we are sitting within the breakout zone. As you can see back here, and pretty much any time we fall into the breakout zone, this is where you're seeing some really high volatility in the market. So we need to be careful. We need to prepare ourselves using good risk management before making any moves, because big moves are coming. Now, this won't show you the direction of the move, only the fact that a big one is coming. If you want to determine direction, we need to be paying attention to the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And we are seeing major short trade sentiment in this market. We peaked out right here, very nearly touching negative 600. Ideally, I'd like to see around negative 800 before any major drops come into effect. So there could be one more major move to the upside before anything happens. Now, to keep up with that, we got to talk about the whale money flow relative to price chart. This is going to show you what whales are actively doing today. And as we can see here, whale money is quickly moving into the market. We're seeing a sharp increase, much higher than we have over the past week or so. And what this tells me is we see a breakout here above this little tiny trend line. This tells me that we could be seeing some pretty significant sharp moves to the upside again. Now, with that in mind, let's talk targets. And if we head down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels, we have major structural resistance at $45,000. I think this is the absolute top that we're going to see before we drop to much lower levels, right around $31,800. And I'll show you exactly how that plays out in the live charts. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, after the sell signal, we got a slight rise followed by a slow gradual drop. As the price moves up again, we will be looking for another sell signal, as we can see here and here, to signal the next drop in Bitcoin. Now, if you are a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Our members get access to these metrics along with metrics across every single coin on our website. As a member, you'll be able to join us for our future forecast video, access our trade setups where we're once again 132 wins, 0 losses. Check this out real quick. We're actually going to go to the performance record, and you're going to see every single bit of 4% profits. And as we scroll down, we're actually going to get higher. We got 10%, we got 7% profits. 8% profits here, all the way down with a maximum so far of 15% profit. Now, as we transition into the bull market, these are going to be much larger trades, so you don't want to miss out on these. Crazy what we've been able to accomplish. 132 wins, 0 losses, 5 active trades you can take right now. Do not miss out. If you want to join our membership, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what we're looking for. Price increases are coming soon though, so do not miss out on this crazy good price. Future forecast videos, all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across all 20 coins, massive discounts on our indicators. This is a major one. It's much cheaper to purchase our indicators with a membership than it is without one. It's going to include so much more too. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. Let me actually open that one up for you. As I've said earlier, we are in the breakout zone. This tells me right off the bat we need to be expecting big moves in the market. Keep that in mind. We're going to hide that away just to make the rest of the chart clearer. And because we know a big move is coming, we need to be paying attention to whether we're testing resistance or support. And currently, the price of Bitcoin is touching resistance at $43,500. We've been testing this all week, and at this point, with whale money skyrocketing into the market, this could be a sign of a pretty significant move up to $45,000. I think we're finally going to hit that level this week. Keep in mind, we do have a 59% chance of a drop. This is why we're not expecting that big of a move. But once we reach that $45,000, I think we're going to be seeing much larger moves to the downside. And a major reason for that is because if we head to the 1 week time frame, the larger overarching time frame, we still see price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor is high with a 73% chance of a drop. And most often, as we test resistance, especially after getting sell and strong sell signals, this should result in massive moves to the downside. Now, the previous high sits exactly at $31,800. So this is going to be the minimum level that I'm looking for. This is the farthest I think we're going to drop. We have to test $38,000 first and reevaluate where the indicators are at on the weekly time frame. But once again, daily, we need to be watching for a slight move to the upside, followed by that massive drop. And from the current price, overall, we are expecting that move up of about 5.76% before a much larger drop. And I'm going to measure from the current price, not the top resistance, but from the current price, a drop down of about 25.63% is looking likely at this point. Now, I know we've been calling this for quite some time. We need our traders to be very careful. On the daily time frame to call the top, this is how we're maximizing our profits here. We need to see price versus while money flow high. We need to see trades in favor high, ideally within the short trade zone. If we get both of these, and especially if we get a sell signal as we test resistance up here, all three of these signals just about guarantee a drop in the market. Now, when you see both the daily and the weekly, both showing confluence, they're showing the same signals. We already see price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high with sell signals. This should result in pretty significant moves down on both time frames. We need to be very, very careful. And as the price drops, we're not even going to be using the 1-day time frame for this, but to catch the absolute bottom of Bitcoin, what we need to see in order to catch the bottom is we need to see price versus while money flow low. We need to see trades in favor low, ideally within the long trade zone, and a buy signal as we test either of these structure supports. If we get these three signals, these almost guarantee the next move up. And on the weekly time frame, these become very large moves. In fact, we are expecting this next bottom to be the final opportunity to buy Bitcoin before the massive halving event carries us into the next couple of years of very exciting bullish activity. So as this plays out, if you want to maximize your profit by catching the top and then buying in at the absolute bottom, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators. They are exactly what we use along with our risk management strategy shown in our membership to earn us 132 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Do not miss out. Here's how you're going to get them. Once again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our pro indicator page. And don't believe me, this person made $950 in 1 day. This person is up $4,300 just this week. This person made $2,100 in 3 days. This person's first 3 trades using these indicators were $500, $5,200, and $4,300. Absolutely insane. What you're going to want to do is make sure you snag your membership first. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. First $150 off, you're going to get a full $550 at the end of this. Stick with me. Access the coupon code at this link once you have your membership. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in tomorrow's future forecast video. Don't miss out.